What up? What up? What up? It's your boy. What's up? Welcome to Marketing with Dom, and I really appreciate for anyone on this page. Make sure you subscribe to this page to always be getting the juiciest content ever. I like to just keep it fun. I actually like and just straight to the point. So, when you're done with this video or whenever you actually decide to, so if you watch this video, you're like, I've seen enough, there's going to be a free trial down below for you actually to try it yourself to learn about this software that actually changes the game when it comes to hashtags. Changes the game. Let me explain why. So if you're in any sort of industry that actually gets you banned sometime, this will let you know when people are, when hashtags are shadow banned and stuff like that, so you stop yourself from being banned. Secondly, it allows you to actually see where you're performing. Third, hashtags still work. Fourth, Instagram is still not dead. I tell you that right now. People are still on Instagram building businesses. So let's talk about this hashtag strategy and how you can kill it with hashtags, and we'll just make it simple and what the software can do and let you get your little, you know, your trial in. Basically, this platform allows you to use and log into your Facebook directly into your Instagrams that they suggest, and you can choose. So I can choose my, you know, boom, and let's go with what's something I can say? Let's go with, so I'm gonna go with marketing, right? So what's gonna do is it's gonna create this beautiful bubble. It's gonna be this crazy cool bubble. Oh no, where's it at? It's not the bubble. My bad. Graph view. Sorry. Boom. There's the bubble. You see the bubble now. You see it. You see it. Make sure you see it. Yeah, you see the bubble. All right. So this basically is explaining to you based off of what you can do, right? So that means not just any hashtag. Hashtags that your Instagram itself can rank off of. How much it takes to actually rank on these pages, like, you know, 30 plus average pages. This is telling you when things are too big, too small for you. You're not getting 100 average comments. You probably shouldn't put this Instagram. You can't break into this content page. You're getting 50 comments, you're getting 40 comments, 60 comments, maybe 36 comments you can break in. Bam, bam. You know, so this one, 50 comments break in, 30 comments, 100 comments break in. So it tells you all of this above. There's a bunch of strategies this platform also teaches you as well. I'm just the information guy. This is what I use on my platform strictly because of the fact that when I'm using different markets, if they're shadow banned or anything like that, it keeps me away from hashtags I should not use, and it also keeps me in the growing consistently place, you know. Let's see what else we have on here. Da-dun. Let's see. So you have, it's going to tell you what's happening, you know, with the hashtags. Bang, bang. So this is really cool. It gets to calculate some numbers. Bam. So look at it. It's telling you in this hashtag marketing where the hottest content is right now. Content's out balling in this space. Load more. So check this out. That means other countries are just now getting into more marketing as well. It's becoming more and more important. Camera shot. Look at these guys. Like, look. It's telling you what's ranking, what people are liking, what kind of content. If you're like, I don't know what to post, look at this. Look what the simplicity of what actually gets a bunch of likes and people to actually say something about it. Check this out. Simple stuff. Simple stuff. Not extremely creative, but not extremely boring at all either. These are very, very interesting facts for business people. Earn income, save annual. Bam. I'm actually about to save this. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know. Let me download. Hold on. So you can just download. I'm about to download that. You just download it. Psh, what? Hey, I didn't even know it can happen. Listen, you just saw. I'm about to build one of this for one of my clients right here. You see this? I'm about to build one of these for my client because I think that shit was lit. And look at these. They're getting love. I feel like I need to just build some things out like this. You know what? Here's some examples. See, that's crazy to me. Example. Bam. We need to be doing some things like this. Prove the fact. See what I'm saying? This is crazy. So, that dude Sarasaki, the same videos are actually getting popped up there on different pages. Can you like see what page it is when you click on it? Look at you guys are discovering more. I'm discovering more. We both just discovering more. And it's explaining what page it is, who's doing this page, how many followers they have. Look at this guy. He only has 14,000 followers. Look at this. Oh, joke. And he's ranking up on the top of pages. It gives hope. Listen, still creating good content for the right niche with the right hashtags still will win till today. I'm not joking with you. I feel like I'm on a few other pages. Where am I supposed to be at? Bam. Here we go. Bam. Basically. All right. So cool. So this is a 4-minute video. You can at any point in time, you can go down, try it yourself, really start to use it, use their blog, their examples of how to go down and use it. If you need help using it, comment down below and you're like, I want to learn how to use it the way you use it, then please comment down below and I will make sure I show you the way that I use it. Comment, subscribe, help a brother out. The more you subscribe for me, join the team, you know, I win, you win, we all win. Like ice cream. Is that how it goes? I don't know. But Sarnal to the other side, I appreciate you. This is how you build